Ryker fans? This is Ryker Ferg. Yeah, as you can see, I'm pretty swollen. But I want to go over my Inspire stuff. So I can't keep this really close to my chest for the first month because, like I said in my other videos, I gotta let it calibrate. But we'll go ahead and see what's in this box. We can go over that stuff. They're cool. They give you a quick little setup, remote setup, little setup thing, how to use it. Pretty cool. Obviously reading instruction pamphlet. This is probably what I'm gonna have to put into my Inspire app. I'm not gonna really let that focus because it's got personal information on there. So, when you get this, you have to download this Inspire app right here, which is right here. And then obviously you go to update. I'm gonna click this. It says, alright, have Inspire, hit save. Connect remote. I have model. Which one I have? 2580. Next. Go to settings. Let me pull this open. This is pretty cool. So I let it turn itself on. Oh, can't do this yet. This is part of it, so I'm gonna wait. Yes, cancel. Cause you gotta wait 1 month. So I'm gonna wait for that, but it is part of the app. I don't know what the Bluetoothing is. Maybe it helps generate it. I have to read more about it. But I'm gonna keep this away. Yeah. So you can see it's a pretty cool device. It works with the app. Keep it in a dry place. See what kind of batteries. Oh my! I didn't. It wasn't gonna work anyways if I tried to Bluetooth it. It had no batteries in there. So let me see if they gave me the batteries. Oh man, that's funny. Oh, cool. Look, they give you a nice little case too, see? You know what's in the case? So I'm gonna leave these in the case until it's ready. That's funny. Oh man, that's hilarious. Yeah. So this thing is not even work. It's not even. I can't even use it yet. So I'm gonna put it in this nice little case. As you can see. They even got it. Yeah, I got everything. scanning on here all my information. That's pretty cool. So that's everything that was in this box. Very cool. Very excited. Pain level right now. I'm still feeling about a 4. Tylenol's helping. It really is. You're gonna have to do neck rolls to help with the pain. Sleeping. Having some sleep issues at night because it's hard to swallow because of my tongue. Like I said, it's kind of sore still, but that's all gonna go away eventually. That's the downside. Once you heal up from that, and you can see the chest is not too bad, just right there. Still a little sore, not too bad. The people are, like they were talking on the other apps or other YouTube channels about the negativity about it. I mean, everything he said was correct. But do I regret it? Not yet. I really don't. Because this is going to help me in the long run. And I just can't wait to get using it. So, like I said, 3 to 6 months is the lead time. That's what the doctor was telling me. We'll see how that works. Fancy box. I'm scared it's like a cell phone box. So, alright, Ryker fans. Checking you within a week. I'm not going to wait a month. I'm going to show you my pain level. The month is, I can't do nothing with this for a month. So I'm gonna put this away. That's why I didn't put the batteries in. There's no point putting the batteries in. Actually, I'm gonna keep this card in here. Because this card is probably important. I know it is. So leave the card in here and the batteries out. I'll let you see how it goes a month. Checking every week. Yeah, I think a weekly checkup is good. Because I see her next week. So I'll do next week check-in. I can't wear my helmet. And you see, Ryker fans, I got some more stuff to put in the bike. Thanks, Aaron Harmon. And I got a seat coming from Aaron Harmon too. So it's the comfort seat. Got a good deal on that. So I'll be putting that into. And we'll do videos on that, and we'll do some more videos too when I feel better. I got another video I'm gonna do today too, so and release it because it's actually very important. It's actually very very cool video. Actually, not more of a cool for medical issues, more lines of medical. So I'm gonna get into that one. So let's get this posted and boot up. And Ryker fans, Ryker out.